story that was told to Rav Steinerman, Alav Shalom, and he was so impressed with the story that he told it to every single rabbi that walked into his yeshiva during that whole day. Someone told him that a problematic student was trying to enter a yeshiva, get accepted, and nobody wanted this kid. He went to this big chacham, or to his yeshiva, which you have to be a big Talmid chacham to do it. Now he already knew the story, this guy's problematic and so on, but he wanted to help him out. And he said, okay, I'll ask you a question. If you know the answer, we'll let you in. So what do you think the question is? Question, we're already thinking if it's Talmidei Chachamim, does he know the Iruv Tafshilin? Does he know the Tarat Mishpacha with the intricate details of how to tell if it's blood from the teeth, or it's blood from the uterus, or it's blood from just the damage? Is it this? Like, what do you ask him? He said, listen, what are you learning right now? I learn Gemara, Masechet Beitzah. Oh, okay, I'll ask you a Beitzah. I'll ask you a question. It wasn't exactly a genius, this kid. But you said you started learning Masechet Beitzah. Okay, I'll ask you a question, Masechet Beitzah. What do you do if the egg, the Beitzah, hatched on Yom Tov? If the egg hatched on Yom Tov, what do you do? What's the halacha? What do you do? And the unlearned person, the guy says, you make an omelet. The rabbi says, perfect answer. You're accepted. You're accepted. And there was other people there. You know it's wrong. It's omelet. That's the answer. That's what the Gemara is talking about, making omelets. What are we, a kitchen? What is it, a diner? That's the answer. So they go like for the Rav. He's like, for the Rav. The guy, you ask the guy an halachic question. You ask the guy a halachic question. If the egg hatches on Yom Tov, what do you do with it? And he said, make an omelet. I mean, the guy is in a different world, this guy. He goes, no. All I needed to do is find out if his head thinks straight. If he's an honest person. I asked him, what do you do with an egg that's hatched on Yom Tov? He told me honestly what he would do, which is he would make an omelet. That's an honest person. That means I can teach him Torah. As far as making him interested, and as far as giving him the right information, that's my job. I already know he didn't know. But I want to know if he thinks straight. Is he going to make up an answer and tell me, oh, you know, and nah, and nee, and he start making up a whole thing? He's a liar, he has lies in his veins, or he's honest? He's going to tell me what he really thinks. He told me what he really thinks. That's the person I want to teach. That's the person I want to teach. Making him interested, making him informed, having the right answer, that's my job. That's the rabbi's job. And Rav Steinerman told this to every single Rosh Kollel he met. He said, what would you do? Would you accept this kid that told you he's going to make an omelet? Because that's the right answer. Accepting the kid that wanted to make an omelet. Why? All you need is a straight mind. You don't need to be a genius. All you need is a straight mind. I ask you a question, you tell me the answer. Right or wrong is irrelevant. The point is, are you honest? Are you intellectually honest? If you're intellectually honest, I can insert the right information in there. But if you're not, if you're a liar, doesn't matter what I tell you, you're going to change the answer anyway to whatever suits your needs. And that's what's happening with many people from different sects of Judaism, of all types of falsianity, whether it's Christianity or Messianics, or some idiots that call themselves open orthodoxy, or reform, or conservative. All these people, everyone wants to make peace. There's no peace with terrorists. There's no peace with terrorists. People that take our Torah and pervert it are 100% spiritual terrorists. No peace with terrorists. They can call themselves whatever they want. If they take our Torah and try to change it, they are spiritual terrorists. There's no peace with them. And the reality is these people try to add halachot to the Torah because they like it better, because it suits their needs, because it makes more money, because it accepts everyone as equals. The Torah says everyone is not equal. There is no such thing as everyone's equal. There is no such thing. That's communism. Torah doesn't believe in communism. Everyone is not equal. A Talmid Chacham is higher than someone that's not Talmid Chacham. A rabbi is higher than the student. A father is higher than the child. A mother is higher than the child. It's a reality. Levi'im are higher than the Israel. And so on and so forth. There's no such thing as everyone's equal. Enough with this communist mentality. Everyone that perverts our Torah, they're only doing it because they care about one thing. Bank accounts. To teach someone Torah, all you need to know, are they intellectually honest? Not are they intellectual where they know all the information already. Are they intellectually honest? Meaning, you're going to provide them the right answer and they'll say, Kibalti, accept it. That's the answer, that's emet, finished. Finished. That's it. Not, yeah, but you know what? I understand what you're saying about Shabbat, but it doesn't really work for me. So can you change that? Can you change? It doesn't work for me. Can you change that? I understand it's Tarat Mishpacha, that's supposed to be with your wife for almost half the month, but I got a lot of desires. So can I just go with a prostitute? Like this Drol Kasuta says? You know, he says, go with a prostitute if your wife doesn't want to go. It's okay, it's fine, no? It's fine, no? Can I do it? Shtuyot Rabotai. Can't change the Torah. We cannot change the Torah. We have a single Torah. Like it or not, that's the truth. Like it or not, that's the truth. If you're intellectually honest, Baruch Hashem, you can become a vessel to accept the Torah. Ashrecha. If you're a liar, you're a spiritual terrorist. That's it. There's nothing in between.